Hello everyone, my name is LIU YITONG and my student ID is 0370907. And today I'm presenting my final project for application 2. My project is Steam App 2.0. And then here is a quick look at my presentation. And the first one is problem statement and app concept. And the second one is a core feature focus, and then has a database management, and then we have the CORD implementation and also has a animation here. And then we have the working app showcase and the backend. And for the last one is a reflection. And first one, the problem statement. The original Steam app, like this image, suffers from a crowded desktop-style layout on the mobile phone, and also has a poor information organization and mass content. Then is a app concept. Building on the Figma prototype from the last semester, I redesigned the Steam app experience using Flutterflow. And then the goal is to clarify information and improve user flow and build a smooth mobile shopping experience. And then is my core feature focus. My app focus on three main areas here. The first one is user authentications with email sign up and login. And the second one is a game store and library, falling from the wishlist to cart, and finally to the library after payment. And the last one is profile management, displaying user emails and custom names. And also you can update your username here. And then there's a database management here. Use a Firebase Firestore. The first one is user collection. Here you can see we have the created time, display name here, and the email here, and the UID. And the next one is cart. We can see in the cart collection we have the game image, game name, price, and user reference. And then is a games. Games also have the game name and game price. In the library, we also have the game name and user reference. Wishlist is the same one. We have the username and user reference, game name and user reference. And then let's moving on to the CRUD implementations. The first two is create and read. When users is games to the cart or wishlist, data is instantly written to the Firebase. This one is create. You can create a game document in the Firebase. And then you can also users can also see the games they add to a cart and add to the library here. Also can see here. This one they read. Also we can see that we create the account in the sign up page. We can also after login we can also see the email and display name in the profile page here. Here also is a create and read. And next one is update. For the update, users can easily change and update their usernames in the profile page here. You can click here the edit profile, and then you can change the new name and interface the new name here and click the confirm button. You can see the snack bar here, name update successfully, so you can change your display name Stella to the Sebastian here. And then is a delete. Delete, we can see the wish list. In the wish list, we can user can removing it items from the wish list instantly, delete the database document, and keeping UI and Firebase matching here. If you click remove, it shows the snack bar has been removed from the wish list here. You can see the wish list will be empty. And then is a animation plan and the implementation. The first one we start from the micro animations. The first one is button. For the button, I use a scale and fit animation on button tabs. The first one is scale it to the your wishlist, and the login is feed like this. And then there's a page load. We can see the I use the feed effects for the page loaders. You can see that the effects show here, the container here is feed. And then there's a snack bar. Snack bar, when you change your username here, you can see the bar here name already has changed and also has in the it to the wish list. It already is to it to the wish list, and when you remove, it also has been removed from the wish list. Provide a immediate visual feedback whenever user press a button to perform some intera- interactions. And then the second one is macro animations. I use the three type of page transitions animations here. And the first one is fade. We can see that the animation for adding the wishlist is fade here, the first one, like the first one. It can help to enhance the smoothness. And for the second one, the second type is to turn the page to the left, like this one. And the third one is skew. This animation is used when clicking the game image to enter the detail page. It gives a sense of further understanding. And then is a component. For the updating the username, I create a pop-up window. This pop-up window we have a feed animation effects of us also use. And then is loading animations for some special page transitions. For example, first one, after login, we have this Steam logo animation. And for the second one, adding items to the shopping cart, I have the cart animation and also the same like the completing the payment animation. And then let's move on to the working app showcase and backend. First one we can see is the user I used. You can see your email and display name in the profile page here is 1111 here. And then you also can see the in the Firebase, the user collection. You can see the created time and display name and email and the UID here. And then let's start from the wishlist. Here has a working in the app. For this one, you can say you choose a game and choose a button it to the wish list. Here has a snack bar it to the wish list, and it also can say in the wish list have the new game here. And then it's a remove one. You can see in the wish list, click the remove button, has a snack bar already removed from the wish list. And then the same like in the Firebase. In the Firebase wishlist collection, we can see here you add the game name Hollow Knight here and user reference here. And then if you remove the game in the app, the Firebase here will also remove the document. And then is a cart and library. If you before you buy the game here, you can see the library only have two game here, and then you choose one game or read and view. You buy in the cart, and on the payment interface, we can see that the account name we use to purchase this game is actually our email address here. You can see. And then after you buy this game, you can see the library have three game here. And in the Firebase, we can also see the card collection. We have the Ori and the view price is what 45 and the user reference here. And in the library collection, we'll also see the game name and the user reference. And then for the profile page, here you can change your display name. You tap your new name and confirm. You can see the snack bar already changed the name, and also you can see here also changed name to 1111 from 1111 to Stella here. And you can also see in the Firebase here display name also changed to the Stella. And then last one is sign up and login. You can see here his working in the app. You can see you sign up and loading and login here. You can see your email and display name in the profile page here. And also the same as Firebase. In the collection, user collection, you can see the created time, display name, email, and UID here. And also you can see user authentication. You can see here has a new one, email. And for the reflection here, looking back on this project, using Flow and Firebase was a highly reward challenge for me, I think. One of the major difficulties was being able to bind game images without incurring any cost for storage in Firebase. I solved this with a creative solution through conditional visibility. And despite encountering technical issues during the process, and this project provides me with practical design and development experience. Okay, that's all. Thank you.